to my channel, and today I am actually going to do a most requested video from you guys. Also, please excuse me, I'm just under the weather, so I'm kind of not really feeling well. If my voice is not clear enough, I am trying my best, but yeah, so let's get started. So in today's video, I am actually going to talk about how to deal with negative people and negativity. I know this is relevant to every single person on this planet, and yeah, every day, all of us really face these problems. These people and these negative situations in their life. So if this video is related to you, let's keep on watching. So basically in today's video, I just want to kind of share my heart out to all you people here who have actually I don't know, who are facing this problem and who actually want to know how to deal with it and how I deal with it. So basically, I don't really need to give you the Wikipedia or encyclopedia what basically negativity is. So I'm straight away just going to start out with a video. And yeah, so I have always encountered people who secretly put me down, or who have been kind of so negative about me and always made fun of me, my dreams and everything. So whenever you kind of encounter this kind of a person in your life, it's better that you stay away from that person, because that's the best you could do for yourself. Because there's a reason why we say that we cannot change a person. So if that person, or if that negative person in your life is happy being negative, then it's better that you kind of cut them off from your life. And I'm so sorry about that. It's better that you cut them off from your life, and it's better that you kind of start looking for people who kind of get the best in you, who kind of get the positive, who kind of fill you with positivity, and who kind of fill you with that kind of energy which makes you go like, yeah, I need to do something. If you're literally hearing a lot of sound from outside, please excuse me. As I said in my introduction video that I stay on the main road, I really cannot do anything about it. I'm trying my best, my voice is not really coming out. It can be anywhere, it can be in your mind as well. So first of all, you're gonna really empty all your thoughts. You have to empty all the people in your life who feel are negative. Even if you get the slightest vibe of a person being negative, don't talk to them. Trust me on this, don't talk to them. I do this literally all the time, and that's the reason I don't have friends. Yeah, I'm a loner. No, trust me, you have to do this for yourself. It's not really important to surround yourself with negative people just because you don't have friends and you don't have your company. You have yourself, and that's the best gift you could give yourself. You have yourself, and it's really good when you are true to yourself, and when you don't let the negative people come in your way, or because these are the people who are stopping you to do something you always wanted to do in your life. You want to start your own YouTube channel, and you're really waiting, and you're really wasting your time literally watching you. This is something very crazy, but yeah, you're literally sitting on the other side of the screen, and you're literally watching this video because you just are afraid to start. You're afraid of the judgments will be passed by. You're afraid of the criticism. Let me tell you one thing straightforward. This is the ultimate truth, and that is that if you're going to do something, people are going to criticize you. You're going to really get a less appreciation and more criticism, because that's the truth. That's what I've been dealing with for the past 2 years. So you can't be like, no, I am not going to do this, because somebody out there who has no idea about your personal life, and they are just going to sit there and pass random comments, and because of that you're not going to do something which might change your life. It might change your life. You have to take that step, because Uh, so yeah, that's the first thing you could do. The no, this blog knows really. I hate it. Yeah. So getting back to the topic, whatever we say, when I'm talking to you or when I'm talking to somebody else in public, that's the reflection of what I feel. So when a person is kind of literally dragging you down or putting you down, that's the reflection of their personality, and that's not your reality, that's their reality. You got to understand this, that nobody can really stop you apart from you. You got to do something for yourself. So, and me, like random people, most of them don't even follow me, randomly comment up and say, you got no photography skills, and I'm like, this guy doesn't know me, and he's just commenting on my Instagram and being like, duh, out of nowhere. But you get these type of people everywhere because they themselves can't do anything in their life, and they are just sitting and criticizing you because you know what, they have no work. But you have to work for yourself, and you have to deal out with that negativity, with that negative people. What I do is I literally delete their comments. I don't even, some of the comments I don't even read, and some of the comments really make me laugh, like literally laugh. I'll tell you honestly, like first it used to affect me so much that at a certain point of time, I stopped blogging and I stopped YouTubing. Honestly, I stopped doing it because these people were really affecting me. The criticism was affecting me. The criticism about my weight, about the way I look, about the dark skin I have, that was really affecting me because there were so many people out there. Even the people who are friends with me criticized me. You know what I mean? Like, they were secretly putting me down, and it was one of the worst feelings ever. And I'm going to cry again, and I'm not going to cry because I'm reshooting this video again, because in the last video I literally stopped and cried so much that I did not want to put up that video up. Just taking a moment, please. These people affected me a lot. At a certain point of time, I literally stopped putting up blogs, I literally stopped putting up videos. But I was just sitting in one corner, and suddenly I was just going through scrolling through my Instagram, and I read this quote somewhere that all the negativity cannot bring you down until and unless you allow it to go through you. And I was like, yeah, these random people, even the people I know, I don't give a to them. It's okay. I am going to do what I like. I am going to go conquer my dreams. I am not going to question my capabilities because this is something I enjoy doing, and this is something I will do. No matter what people say, and no matter what people talk about my weight, no matter what people say behind my back, I don't really care because that's where you belong and that's where your reality lies. And I really feel sorry for you guys that you're just spreading negativity, whereas you could spread love, and you could spread a lot of positivity, and you could bring the brightness in somebody's darkness, and you could do something remarkable. But rather you choose to be somebody who cannot do anything in your lives, and God bless you. I like my video, even if you don't like it, it's completely fine. I am still going to make videos, I'm still going to be here, I'm still going to share my feelings with you guys, because at least out of 10 people there are five of them, or maybe even one of them, in whose life I could make a difference, or in whose thinking I could make a difference, and even that would give me the equal amount of happiness. So yeah, I really hope you guys kind of like my video. If you guys like my video, only if, okay, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos, because I am a random person, and I also encounter a lot of negativity, and together we could actually kill that negative people and negative vibes in our life, and we could really do such great things. So yeah, until my next video, bye.